Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up parental control on iPhone. Now, the solution is an AirDroid application, and in this video, I'll show you exactly the features of this application, and you should download it on your kid's phone and also on your own phone to track his daily activity and receive all the alerts and see how to track your kid. So let's get started. Now, I'll show you the features of this program. You can simply schedule times for school, bedtime, or even time for studying. You can also add some limits for YouTube, entertainment, downtime, etc. And you can block some apps and do some content restrictions. You just have to allow this option. And in this section, you have apps. You can block a specific app by clicking on app blocker, then choose any app that you want to block. And you can also block the purchases, any store purchases, and add some content restrictions. Let's say that this content has violence or for adults, or even this content contain news. You can simply set some restrictions to this content or a specific app, and by this way, they cannot download this app anymore. You can also do some system restrictions. You can allow or prevent screenshots and other features like Siri, AirDrop, account changes, passcode changes, etc. You can also allow or prevent the apps that request to track your phone. And by using this app, you can block installing some apps by your kids or even deleting apps or deal with any in-app purchases. You can also set some content restrictions for music, movies, TV shows, apps, and app clips. You can simply allow specific apps, allow specific books, and disable or enable the TV shows and movies. You can also do more limitations by blocking specific websites and even block the phone from getting online to the internet in specific times. And you can set these times and block the websites manually. You can also track your kids and give them a geofence, which is an area that when your kids go beyond it, you will get notified on your phone. It will give you an alert just like this one right here. In addition to all that, you can track the daily or weekly activity of your kid on his mobile phone. You can also scroll down to see the most used apps and how many hours did he spend weekly on these apps. And there's also another good feature is that when your kid's mobile get offline, it will notify you by giving you this message, and it will ask you to see if the AirDroid Kids is up to date or not, or if the mobile itself is facing any issues, just in order to remind you and make you always alert about your kids' activity. And here, as you can see, we have the message center. It will show you all the alerts, requests, and all things about the system. It will show you some notifications when your kids get out of geofenced range, like the school, for example. And if your kid have even installed a new app, it will show you the installed app. It will show all about its details and the name and when did he download it. And as I said in the beginning of the video, all you'll have to do is to simply download the application on your phone and on your kid's phone, connect them both to each other. It's a very simple process. It doesn't even need a tutorial. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.